Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss graph of sin x. First of all, we want to draw the graph of sin x. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, right? This is origin, and take this is pi by 2 and this is pi. This is 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. Here also same, but minus pi by 2 minus pi plus 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi. First of all, if you put the zero value of sin x, the y value is equal to sin x. If you put a 0, the answer will be 0. So we plot here, and we put pi by 2. The range of sin x is plus 1 to minus 1. Okay, so now we want to draw the graph pi by 2. If we give x is equal to pi by 2, the value must be 1. Pi by 2 comma 1, and we put pi 2 here, the answer will be 0. So pi comma 0, the graph must be this type. And we go to 2 pi, this is 2 pi value, sin 2 pi is also 0, and give minus pi by 2, the answer must be minus 1, here minus 1, and we put minus pi, it is 0, and also minus 2 pi, the answer must be 0 also. So this is the graph of sin x. This is the graph of y equal to sin x. We put the value of x and we get y is equal to y axis point. Okay, so this is the graph of sin x, and we want to know the amplitude of sin x, a sin bx. Consider the graph y is equal to a sin bx. The amplitude is equal to modulus a, the coefficient of sin bx, and period is equal to 2 pi pi modulus b. Okay, this is the formula for amplitude and period. And we want to know the sin inverse x graph, y equal to sin inverse x. Here same 0, this is x axis and this is y axis. If we find the sin x graph, the answer must be minus 1 plus 1 here. But sin inverse x graph, the domain and range will be changed. Here take plus 1 and here we take minus 1. And y axis can we take pi by 2. Here pi by 2 and here pi. The answer must be, if sin inverse 0 is also 0 and sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So the graph will become here, and take here minus pi by 2, here minus pi. So we draw the graph. If we suppose we give sin inverse of minus pi by 2, the answer will be minus 1. So we draw the graph, this one, here minus 1 to come this way. So this is the sin inverse graph, y equal to sin inverse x graph. Okay, so these are the graph. So refer this graph. Find the period and amplitude of this function y is equal to sin 7x, and the second one this one, and third one is that we have a formula amplitude and period. The form of y is equal to a sin bx. Here we want to know the a value and the b value. The amplitude must be modulus of a and the period must be 2 pi by modulus b. Okay, right. So the first question, y equal to sin 7x. Here We want to know the value of A and B. Here the coefficient of sin x is what? A is 1 and B is what? 7. The formula must be amplitude. Amplitude is equal to modulus A, which is equal to, what is the value of A? Modulus 1. So the answer is 1. The amplitude value is 1. And period. Period formula 2 pi by modulus B. 2 pi by modulus B is there, modulus 7. Okay, right. So the answer 2 pi by 7 is the period. Okay, and we want to find the second one. Second one is what? Y equal to minus sine 1 by 3 into x. Here A equal to, what is that? Minus 1. Coefficient of sin x is minus 1 and B is equal to 1 by 3. The formula for amplitude. Amplitude is equal to modulus A. Here A value is modulus of minus 1. So the answer is 1. And period. Period is equal to 2 pi by modulus B. That is equal to 2 pi by modulus B is what? Modulus 1 by 3. So the answer is 2 pi by 1 by 3. The 3 must be goes into numerator. So the period value is 6 pi. Okay, right. And we want to find the third one. This is the third one. First and second we completed. This is the third one. Third one is what? Y is equal to 4 sine minus 2x. Here what is the value of A? A value is 4 and B value is what? Minus 2. So these are the formulas. The amplitude modulus A. Modulus A means modulus 4 is equal to 4 and period. Period is equal to 2 pi by modulus B. Modulus B means modulus of minus 2. Here 2 pi by the modulus 2 will be 2. That is equal to pi. This is the period of the third one. Okay. Refer the sum. Third sum. Sketch the graph of y is equal to sine 1 by 3x for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6 pi. We want to know the amplitude and period. Y is equal to sine 1 by 3x. Here amplitude is what? Amplitude is equal to modulus A. Here modulus A value is 1. So modulus 1 is equal to 1. Comma period. Period is equal to what? 2 pi by modulus B. Now 2 pi by the modulus B is what? 1 by 3. Modulus 1 by 3. So the 3 goes to the numerator. The value is 6 pi. And we want to find the value 0 to 6 pi. Let us take the sin x graph. This is origin. We have to take 0 to 6 pi. 0 to 6 pi to split into 0 to 3 pi. We want to split the value 0, 3 pi, 6 pi. The graph must be y is equal to sine 1 by 3 x. If we put 3 pi here, the value is what? Y is equal, x is equal to 3 pi. The y value is what? 3 pi by 3 is equal to sine pi. So 0. And we want to x is equal to 6 pi. Okay. The y value is sine 6 pi by 3. Sine 6 pi by 3 means sine 2 pi is also 0. Okay, right. The graph must be here comes to 3 pi 0 and we go to 6 pi is also 0 because sine 1 by 3 x. We put the x value is 3 pi here. 3 cancel, sine pi. Sine pi value is 0. So this is the graph of y is equal to sine 1 by 3 x. Okay, right. And the question number 5. For what value of x does sin x is equal to sin inverse x? Which angle must be the same value of sin x and sin inverse x? Clearly we can write 0. Sin x is equal to sin inverse x are same in the value of x is equal to 0. So the sin x graph and sin inverse x graph also intersect in the 0. Okay, right. The 0 is the same value of sin x equal to sin inverse x. Okay, refer the sum. Now the sixth sum, find the domain of the following Roman letter 2. G of x is equal to 2 sin inverse 2x minus 1 minus pi by 4. The domain of sin inverse x must be, what is the value? Minus 1 to plus 1. This is the domain of sin inverse x. And the range of sin inverse x is what? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, right. So this value must be lies between minus 1 to plus 1. This is the condition of sin inverse x. So let us take minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to plus 1. This value must be lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. This is the domain of sin x. Now we want to take minus 1 this side, minus 1 and take this plus 1 less than or equal to 2x and less than or equal to plus 1. Take minus 1 this side, plus 1. Here 0, 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 2. Divided by 2 on all sides. So divided by 2, here 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So the domain of this function must be 0 to 1. The domain is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, refer the sum. Next, seventh sum. Find the value of sin inverse of sin pi by 9 cos pi by 9 plus cos pi by 9 sin pi by 9. So let y is equal to sin inverse of sin 5 pi by 9 into cos pi by 9 plus cos 5 pi by 9 into sin pi by 9. Already we know that the formula, what is the formula? Sin of alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta, right? Consider this term must be sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Here alpha is equal to what? 5 pi by 9, comma beta is equal to what? Pi by 9. So we can write sin alpha plus beta. Now y is equal to sin inverse of sin alpha plus beta means what? 5 pi by 9 plus pi by 9. Okay. Now y is equal to sin inverse of sin of, this is 6 pi by 9. The 6 pi by 9 must be cancelled as 3 pi by 2. Sorry, 2 pi by 3. 6 pi by 9 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Here we can write 2 pi by 3. Okay. So y is equal to sin inverse of sin of 2 pi by 3. And we know that this must be sin inverse and sin x cancel, but the 2 pi by 3 not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Since 2 pi by 3 not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, because this angle is 2 pi by 3 means 60 degree 120 degree. This is not belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. So we can change the value, take sin y is equal to sin 2 pi by 3, and we want to change the value as pi minus pi by 3, because 3 pi minus pi is equal to 2 pi by 3. 3 pi minus pi is equal to 2 pi by 3. This must be sin of pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So we can write sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin of theta value is what? Pi by 3. This is sin y. Now equating the y value, this side sin and this side sin, same angle. So the value of y is equal to pi by 3, which is belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, this is the answer. This is the solution of this sum. So refer the sum.